Hey everyone, it's Junaid from Meninfluencer here. Hope you look good, feel good and are ready to prosper, because in this video I want to talk about the Copenhagen hair growth kit. So it's been around 100 days now since I've reviewed that product, and in that video I told you that my dad will end up using this product, and thus after 100 days my dad has used the moon roller and I want to go over his results. And with that said, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, if you look at the screen right now, you can see that this is how the head hair of my dad looks like. You can see that he has quite thick and dense hair on the sides of his head, but then on the top of it. But then again, if you look at the hair on the top of his head, there's not a lot of hair, but there still is a little bit of hair. So what ended up happening in these 100 days is that I explained the process to my dad, and he consistently used the moon roller 2 times per week for 100 days. And as you can see on the screen right now, I'm using the moon roller on my father's head. And we really made sure that we tackled the top of his head from different angles, but didn't do it too harshly. Although when it comes to the skin on the top of your head, it is a lot stronger than, say, for example, the skin on your face. And once we finished using the moon roller, it was time to use the activator hair serum. And we really made sure that when it comes to the hair serum, it was distributed evenly to maximize the results. And we did this over and over again until now. And after using the products for 100 days, these are the results. So if you look on the screen right now, this is how it looks like. So as you can see, it's not a full head of hair. And to be quite honest, we didn't expect that to be a full head of hair. But if you look very closely, you can see that when it comes to the already existing hair follicles on the top of the head, they are a lot thicker and a lot denser prior to using the product. And on top of that, there were also some hair follicles that weren't as thick or as dense, and over the course of the 100 days they have become a lot stronger and denser. So that's one thing that I have observed when it comes to the hair growth kit. Another thing that we've discovered is new hair follicles coming around this area of the head. So if you look very closely on the screen, you can see that there's very tiny hair follicles. It's not like they are very strong, very dense or very long, but they weren't present prior to using this product. Obviously it's not a major deal because it's not like the head is full of hair now, but this is something that we have noticed after using the products for more than 100 days. So just like the already existing hair follicles that became more thicker and denser and generally look more healthier, perhaps when it comes to the hair follicles, the new hair follicles that have been created around this area, perhaps by consistent use, they can become more thicker or denser. But I'm not 100% sure whether they are new hair follicles, because perhaps they might have already existed there. You know, those very tiny white looking hair follicles that have literally no strength in them. It might be due to using this product that they've become a bit stronger, and that's why they're more noticeable. But regardless, even if it is the case, it will be quite a slow progress, and thus in my opinion I feel like if you're someone that feels like that your hair is thinning, this hair growth kit will be very good for you, because this way you can combat it and tackle it, and this way by using the products, using the moon roller, you can condition the already pre-existing hair follicles to become more denser and thicker. But if you're someone that's trying to regrow your hair, this can take quite a long time and perhaps might not even work for you. So that's a little update when it comes to the hair growth kit by Copenhagen Grooming. And I hope you genuinely appreciated this video and the effort we put into making this video. So if you want to check the products out for yourself, I will have them linked in the description with a special Meninfluencer discount link. And this way, it will be a little bit more affordable. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.